Looking for your dream home? Let me show you the houses we offer in our newest estate subdivision in Nuvali, Crescela Nuvali. Hello guys! Good morning sa inyo dyan, sa aking mga kababayan, sa mga kapwa Filipino, kahit saang sulok man ng mundo kayo ngayon. I am here again guys to help you na mahanapan kayo ng inyong new home or dream home or retirement home dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa Nuvali. By the way, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy. We are here right now sa ating model houses na ino-offer natin sa ating newest community, Crescela Nuvali. But before po natin pasukin yung ating model houses, let's have a quick drive tour po muna para malaman po ba ninyo kung saan ba located itong si Crescela from the Nuvali. Kasi nasa inside the valley na po kasi tayo. And malaman na din po ninyo kung ano-ano na ba ang developments inside the valley. So, let's go! So, welcome to my drive tour guys, no? Sabay-sabay nating puntahan galing dito sa Nuvali, na front ng Nuvali sa punta to Crescela. So, sa ating first time viewers, no, this is important kasi baka mamaya kilala nyo lang si Nuvali dahil sa Ayala Mall Soledad, sa SNR. Pero ano nga ba yung mga establishments pa papasok ng Nuvali? So, sabayan nyo po ako ngayon, panoorin nyo po ito, and we will go to Crescela po together. Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala land. This is composed of 2,500 hectares and is divided into 4 segments. Number 1, Nuvali North. This is our main commercial business district. Number 2, Nuvali Central. Number 3, Nuvali Heights. And number 4, Nuvali South, kung saan po located yung ating communities and si Crescela Estates. So let's start na po, no? Samahan niyo po ako sa aking drive tour. And while you are watching from your television or other devices na kahit nasa bahay lang po kayo, ay parang sinamahan niyo na po ako na para tayong nag-ocular or nag-site visit dito sa Nuvali. And lalo na po sa mga OFWs na looking na ng property for their retirement. So let's start here sa front of Nuvali. This is just located along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road and sa pagbaba na ng Calax, Laguna Boulevard exit. Dito nyo rin po makikita ang famous Nuvali logo. Pagpasok nyo ng Nuvali, by the way, this is Nuvali North, our main commercial business district. Of course, as the name implies, dito located ang ating malls, shopping centers, activation areas, etc. And on our left side, located ang Soledad 1, where also located ang famous man-made pond kung saan pwede rin po tayo mag-feed ng koi fish and boat riding. On our left side din, located the Seda Hotel, the Nuvali Techno Hub. This is an Ayala office na soon mag-open for BPO and IT careers and opportunities. The ongoing development of Museum for Architecture and Residences. Guys, this one is a game changer for Nuvali. Sobrang ganda and unique ang building na ginagawa na ito. This is of course a museum, exhibit, and may limited residential units na may sariling hot spring. Once ma-finished itong building, boom na naman ang value appreciation here in Nuvali. And on our right side naman, located the landmark Ayala Mall Soledad 2 and 3. And as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, by the way, this is Nuvali Boulevard, the main road of Nuvali. Anyways, as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, dito naman located ang Landers, and in this road papuntang SNR, our shopping centers. And good news guys, sa area na ito, merong additional mall na naman na gagawin si Ayala, which is Soledad 4. Ongoing na po ang development nito. And as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, in this road naman located our own hospital, Healthway Qualimed. It's very good to know, no, na we have our own hospital here in Nuvali. And sa area na ito, dyan din located ang McDo, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Uniqlo, and ongoing development of Jollibee. And along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, if you go up from here, dun po located naman ang ongoing development of SM Yulo Premier. Guys, this is also a game changer to Nuvali. It's better to invest now guys before ma-finish itong mga developments. Because once finished itong malls and museum, expect na mag-skyrocket ang value ng properties here in Nuvali. So let's go back to the road. Here naman on our left side is the pocket business district called East Block. This is almost 12 hectares in size na ang allowed itayo dito are mid-rise buildings, pwedeng office, condo, tertiary schools, or another mall, hospital, etc. And on our right side naman is the North Central Business District. This is almost 5 times in size of East Block. Matagal pa po ito gagawin but this will be our next BGC of the South. One of the reasons why to invest here in Nuvali because andito na ang future. Think of your children na in the future, possible dito na sila mag-work or you may expand your business here. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Also, plan din kasi ni Ayala na ma-decongest ang Makati and BGC area. And lahat ng South residents na working there ay dito na sila ma-divert sa BGC of the South. Hindi na sila lalayo pa, no? Sobrang ganda ng plan ni Ayala dito. By the way, short trivia guys, no? Sa sobrang ganda at ayos ng master plan dito kay Nuvali, ito na po ang ginawang model ni Ayala bilang sustainable community development. Baka may nakikita kayo sa Facebook or other platforms na the next Nuvali in the North, the next Nuvali in Cavite. Diba? Hearing this, mas lalong nakaka-proud bilang Nuvali resident. And for you guys, diba, ang sarap mag-invest sa future nyo sa number 1 sustainable development ni Ayala, which is Nuvali. After that rotunda, exit po tayo sa second exit. And after this bridge, we are here na at the heart of Nuvali, Nuvali Central. And you may notice no na there is another guard post there. And madami po tayong guard post across Nuvali. They are part of estate security, ensuring na the residents, tenants, and visitors are safe within the estate. And after that guard post, located naman the 12-hectare pocket business district called Central Block. This is our commercial area inside Nuvali which will benefit the Nuvali Central residents. Kumbaga, this is very convenient no, to add to the residents of Nuvali na we won't need to go to Nuvali North or to Ayala Mall Soledad because we have our own commercial area na. The design is parang Alabang Town Center, also mid-rise buildings lang ang pwedeng mga i-develop dito. And yung mga ongoing na dine-develop na dito are Merrimart and the shops. Moving on, after Central Block, in this road naman, located one of the schools here in Nuvali, Xavier School. By the way, we have 3 schools here in Nuvali. The other 2 are Everest Academy and Miriam College, which are madadaanan din naman natin later on. And at the end of this road, located din ang aming pet-friendly mid-rise condo called Solara Park Stories. If you want to invest naman ng condo or want ng passive income, let me know po. Don't worry, I will attach to the description below my video about Solara Park Stories naman. On our left side naman is the Rockwell South. They are not part of Nuvali but their property line is nakadikit along Nuvali Boulevard. Magkakaroon din sila ng their own commercial area and good news, we can benefit also din doon. Po tayong makapasok and shop or dine sa commercial area nila and vice versa, the Rockwell South residents to Nuvali. As we go along south, we notice na pataas na ang elevation ng road. Dito na po tayo sa Nuvali South, the highest elevated area in Nuvali where mas mahangin na dito and mas malamig na po lalo pag gabi. And do you see that T-road sa tumbok po na yan? May allocated na commercial area dyan si Ayala na planned to be an alfresco mall. That is 10 hectares in size na ang kinagandahan once ma-finished itong mall, meron kayong magagandang views like buong Nuvali, Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, and Tagaytay Ridge sa top floor. Na parang more exclusive na itong alfresco mall sa atin to us Nuvali South residents, sobrang convenient ito para sa atin. And on our left side, located naman the 31 hectares activation area na hinati into 3 sectors. First is golf driving range. This is existing na if you want to test your swing. And dito rin located ang high-end restaurant called The Veranda Sunset. The second sector naman is the ongoing development of dog park and garden center na parang botanical garden sa Baguio. And for our third sector naman, which will benefit the most are the bikers kasi bike trail naman ang gagawin dito. and ongoing development na din. In this area naman, on our left side is the Everest Academy, one of the schools here in Nuvali, and on our left side, the other school which is Miriam College. Now, after Miriam College, diretso lang po tayo, and this road, what we will take is going to our newest estate subdivision, Crescela Estates Nuvali. Okay. So imagine po, no, na waking up with a breathtaking views like this. Kumbaga, sobrang ganda po ng view ninyo. But this is only one of the views in Crescela. If your property is facing west, ito po yung ating view. But if your property line naman is facing east, Mount Makiling naman po tayo. So, check po natin yung view deck. Ituro ko lang po kung saan located si Crescela. But guys, this is not the actual site of, or the actual location of Crescela, no? But same views, same elevation, same area. Crescela Nuvali is located just there beside of this community Mandia by Alveo. Hindi po natin siya mapuntahan pa sa ngayon because the connecting road going there is under development pa. But I will show you this clip, drone shot po siya kung pointing kung saan po located si Crescela Nuvali. So let me share with you our newest community in Nuvali, Crescela. This is under the category of estates. When we say estates, these are our premium or high-end communities. Well, masasabi talaga natin premium, no? Kasi tignan mo naman yung views natin, Tagaytay Mountains. And sa taas ng elevation, up to 219 meters above sea level, mahangin na po sa area nito and malapig na po dito. Crescela is 13.5 hectares in size. So, imagine 13.5 hectares in size lang po siya. Imagine na maliit lang po yung size po ng ating community compared sa aming other communities na almost half in size lang siya. So, expect lower density, konti lang po kayong residents dito. The target completion date of Crescela is on second half of 2028. And the 45% of the community is designated to open spaces, roads, parks, and sa ating amenities. Let me show you din ng drone shot of our amenity area in our other estate subdivision. Kumbaga, for you to have an idea lang kung gaano ba ganda yung mga amenities natin sa isang estate subdivision. But of course, amenities in Crescela is more improved than this. So, ang ganda ng amenities ng ating estate subdivision. Now, we have a clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, indoor gym, open spaces, landscape area, tsaka po yung parks. Pero, di ba, as I've said earlier, mas improve pa po dito yung amenities ni Crescela Nuvali. So, we are here right now sa ating model houses in Crescela Nuvali. Tingnan ninyo kung gaano kaganda yung ating model houses. Ito na yung magiging future home ninyo. So, this one is our 4 bedrooms house and lot. Ito po yung best definition of a retirement home kasi meron na po siyang bedroom sa ground level or sa ground floor, perfect for seniors na hindi na kayang umakyat ng stairs or ng hagdan. So this 4 bedrooms called Solea, the floor area is 110 square meters and yung minimum lot area na kasya itong bahay is nasa around 100 or starting ng 168 square meter. But don't worry dahil hindi pa natin siya mapapasok dahil under renovation pa siya. Pero once na ipasukin natin yung 3 bedrooms house and lot, doon ko na lang po sabihin yung difference ng 4 bedrooms compared to 3 bedrooms. So now, we are here right now sa ating 3 bedrooms house and lot na model house. So this is called Erin. The floor area is 95 square meter and yung minimum lot area nito is 158 square meter. So in regards sa ating property line, i-discuss ko lang po ito. So here po, in regards naman sa ating property line, starting lang po tayo dito. Ito lang po yung part ng pinurchase niya po dito. Pero before ng property line nyo, meron po tayong walk past planting strip before pa ng gutter and tsaka ng street or road po natin. So, nagmukha pong mahaba ang inyong property because of this. And by the way guys, no, this is regarding naman sa ating fence. As you can see po sa ating model house, yung ating, wala tayong fence pero yung nakaano po sa boundary ng ating property line is mga plants lang. Dito naman, once na ma-turn over yung inyong property, wala po tayong fence pero pwede nyo pong gawin is plants lang, or either way na magkaroon kayo ng fence or hindi, sobrang secured naman yung ating community. So here, itong ating model house, ito po yung ating deliverable house and lot. Mamaya pagpasok po natin, kung ano po yung makikita nyo sa loob, ito po yung pagkaka-turnover po sa inyo in the future. So, you have your carport here. Sa lawak po niya, kasya po up to 2 cars. And kinagandaan po ng house po na ito, no, kasi may nakaabang na po ng wiring or outlet. Na example, if you have an electric vehicle, pwede na dito na po kayong mag-charge. So, sa ditong side naman, dahil malawak po inyong lot, dito po, pwede nyo pong lagyan ng garden or tables and chairs. For example, if you want na mag-coffee or tea in the morning or late afternoon, pwede rin po dito. Then, in this side naman is to access sa ating lanay. So, in this side naman, no, ito yung access natin sa ating lanay. Diba, malawak pa po siya. Depende po sa inyo kung ano po yung mga ilalagay pa natin dito. Pwede nyo lagyan ng mini garden or ng mga plants po dyan. Then, pasukin na po natin yung bahay para may pakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung deliverable na sa ating inside ng house. Welcome to your new home. So, upon entering your house, no, yung bubungad sa atin is itong foyer area. Ideally, yung ginagawa po nila dito is nilalagay either shoe rack or sanitation area or altar. Pwede rin po. So, after po ng foyer, sarado ko lang po ito. After pa ng foyer, ito po yung ating malaking space for living and dining area. So you have your big windows here and doon na po yung ating sliding door. So ideally po, no, dito rin yung ating living area kasi ito po yung ating auxiliary cables, dito located yung ating outlets para paglagyan ng ating TV, internet, speakers, and other stuff. So, in this area naman, no, dito rin yung ating, or yung idea, dito yung ating dining area. Itong malaking space po na ito. Kumbaga, ito pong design or yung layout ng bahay is open space po, no? Para example, you have a freedom kung lalagyan mo ba siya ng division or hindi na. Pero maaliwalas na po siya, marami po tayong magagawa sa malaking area po na ito. So dito sa sliding door, ito yung access natin sa lanay. Example, gusto mo ng ventilation pa, additional ventilation, or you have pets na pasok-labas ng bahay. Okay, in this side naman, ito yung ating storage area. Yan po, sa baba po ng stairs. Ang kinaganda po ng pagkagawa ng bahay kasi ano po tayo, yung zero wastage po, na kahit po yung sa baba ng stairs ay ginamit po natin. So dito po pwede pong lagayin ng walis, or dustpan, or ng mop para hindi po ito or di po sila kakalat-kalat sa bahay, walang eyesore. Okay, sarado ko lang po ito. So in this side naman, ito yung access natin sa kitchen. Ito po yung ating countertop and cabinet. Upon deliverable po, no, hanggang dito po yung size niya. Ituro ko po mamaya sa ating model house kung gaano siya kahaba. So, you have your windows din dito, parang additional sanitation din sa ating sink. And in this side naman, ang ating service entry papunta sa likod. So, upon exit or entry ng ating service entry, no, ito po yung ating example, if you have groceries, pwede na dito na po kayo dumaan kaysa po sa harap pa. Tapos ito na po yung access natin, or pwede nyo pong lagyan ng dirty kitchen. And dito naman sa likod, dahil malawak pang space na to, pwede ito na yung ating laundry area, mga lagayan ng sampayan, etc. Marami po tayong paggagawan po dito dahil sa lawak po ng ating lote. So okay na po tayo dito, pasukin na po natin yung sa loob po ulit. So upon entering your service entry area, ito namang sa side natin, no, i-discuss ko lang. Okay. So in this 3-bedroom house, ito po yung ating stock room or utility room. Maliit po lang siya na room, pero pwede po siyang gawing pantry or storage area or storage room, depende po sa inyo. But sa ating 4 bedrooms house and lot, dahil hindi po siya natin pwede pasukin, no, i-discuss ko lang, ito pong stock room, ito po yung ating bedroom area or yung bedroom po sa ating 4 bedrooms house and lot. Yung size po niya is nasa same size po ng nasa taas. Ipapakita ko rin po later. Okay po. Then, ito naman po yung ating toilet and bathroom sa may dito sa ating first floor. So, ito na po yung ating fixtures, American Standard brand, lavatory, toilet, and you have your overhead shower na din. And may nakaabang na po na outlet para if you have gustong lagyan ng water heater. Okay? So, we're done here sa ating first floor. Akit na po tayo sa ating bedroom sa taas. Okay, no? So, sa pag-akit po ng ating stairs, you have your windows here. Okay, akit lang po tayo. And as you can see, meron pa tayong windows dito and windows dito. So, ang sobrang dami na nag-welcome sa natural light, no? Sobrang aliwalas ng bahay nito. So, meron na tayo ulit na windows dito. And i-ano ko lang po, no? I-flex ko lang po ito. Etong ating flex area. Kumbaga, itong sa small space na ito, pwede rin po siya, example, gusto nyo lagyan ng altar dito, or mini study area, mini work area, or mini family hall. Nasa inyo po. Pero kung ano po yung gusto nyo pong gawin dito. So, pasukin naman po natin yung ating first bedroom. So, this is our first bedroom, no? Ganito po siya kalaki yung size ng ating bedroom. Kumbaga, nasa inyo po kung paano po, saan nyo po i-design or saan nyo po ilalagay yung inyong bed, yung cabinet, or mini study area. And kinagandahan po ng bedroom na ito kasi nasa corner siya. So, as you can see, yung ating wide windows nasa corner din, pa-corner din. So, let's go to second bedroom. By the way, ito yung lagayan ng ating air condition for this room. So, this is our second bedroom naman, no? Yung size po nito is same lang po ng size sa first bedroom natin. So, you have your windows here, may mga outlets din po tayo, and dito po yung lagayan ng ating air condition. Okay, sa next po natin, ito naman yung ating toilet and bathroom for the second floor. So, same po sa baba, lavatory, meron tayong lavatory, toilet, and overhead shower. Then, nakaabang din na outlet for the water heater. Okay, let's go na sa ating master's bedroom. Wow, so ito yung ating master's bedroom, no? Tingnan niyo po kung gaano siya kalawak. Kumbaga, ito kinaganda ng master's bedroom, di ba? Mostly dito talaga yung ating parents or yung pinaka-owner po ng bahay. So, you will have your windows here and windows there. Kung kasyang-kasya po dito up to king size, queen or king size, malawak pa rin naman po siya. So, explain or discuss ko na rin po about sa 4 bedrooms naman natin. Pag sa 4 bedrooms, yung masters po natin, meron siyang sariling toilet and bathroom. Dito lang po sa 3 bedrooms, wala po siya. Parang share po siya sa ating toilet and bathroom sa beside dito. So, ang kinaganda ng master's bedroom, no? Kasi kayo lang po ang may access or may sariling balcony sa bahay. Diba? Pwede po kayong example, if you have a great view of Mount Makiling or Tagaytay Mountains, ang ganda po dito sa inyong balcony. Then, ang kinagandaan po, no, if you have a balcony here, kitang-kita mo ang in and out ng bahay mo. Example, yung may lalabas na sasakyan and kung makita mo yung pinaka-frontage mo talaga. So now guys, pasukin naman natin yung ating dressed up na house and lot. This is the same, 3 bedrooms din siya. Na ito po, for you to have an idea kung paano nga ba siya lagyan ng furnitures, appliances, tsaka paano i-design yung sariling ating bahay. Come in, welcome to your new home. So this is our model house. Unang-una nating bubungad, no, yung ginawa ng ating interior designer dito. Sa ating foyer area, naglagay siya ng mini cabinet at pwede rin po siyang sanitation pagpasok. So in this side naman, di ba, tulad ng sinabi ko earlier, dito po yung, or ideally, dito po yung ating living area. So you have a sofa, and yung ating mga chairs din dito, and dito po kinabit yung ating TV and yung ating improve na po ng ating wall po nito. So in this side naman, dito yung ating dining area. So good for 6 family members po yung ginawa natin dito. Pero pwede pa kayo mag-extend pa up to 10 family members or 10 seaters. By the way guys, the design of this house is modern Filipino eclectic with a, di ba, kahit even modern siya with a touch of rattan pa rin. Tapos even po yung sa ating ilaw po dito, di ba, with touch of Filipina pa rin. Pero may mix po siya ng pagka-modern. So right now, access naman po natin yung ating kitchen. By the way guys, sa sinabi ko po kanina, no, dahil short yung sa deliverable, pero pagka once ma-turn over sa inyo yung house and lot, ganito po talaga siya kahaba. Yung ating countertop, pati po yung cabinet. So in this side naman, in-improve nila, nagdagdag sila dito ng cabinets. So here naman sa ating utility room, yung ginawa po nila dito, no, since maliit lang po itang room, Parang naglagay po sila ng cabinets na for storage. Example, may mga extra kayong gamit or damit or mga tuwalya natin, pwede na po dito. Okay, so let's go na po sa ating toilet and bathroom. Dito po, hindi na po nila pinalitan, no? But nag-improve lang sila. Naglagay po sila ng medicine cabinet and dito po for the shower. Ayan, tsaka cabinet din po under po ng lavatory. So, we're done na po here sa ating ground level. Akit na po tayo sa ating second floor. Okay, no? Akit na tayo sa ating bedrooms. In this side naman, naglagay sila ng frame. Okay. And then, as we go upstairs, dito po naglagay lang po sila ng blinds. Blinds po here. And dito na po sa ating flex area. Sinabi ko po earlier na pwede po siya either working area or for study area or pwede rin pong lagyan ng altar. Pero dito po, mini study area po yung ginawa nila. So, they put din po ng tables po dito dahil maluwag naman. So, pasok po tayo sa ating first bedroom. Ginawa po ng designer po dito, no? Naglagay po siya ng single bed, then mini study area, then cabinet po dito. Pero anyways, nasa inyo na po naman kung paano nyo po siya i-interior. Pwede naman po siya double bed or double deck. Nasa inyo po yan kung paano nyo po siya ilalagay or i-design yung inyong first bedroom. So, let's go na po sa ating second bedroom. Here naman, dinesign siya for a teenager na babae. No? Single bed din siya. Then, pambabae po na design. Yan, so dito na po yung kanyang cabinet. Pero pwede pa lang po siyang expand pa, depende kung ilan po yung matutulog or ilan po yung dito sa bedroom na ito. So here naman sa ating toilet and bathroom sa second level or sa second floor, almost same lang naman sa baba, no? Nag-ano lang po siya, nag-improve cabinets and dito almost naglagay lang siya ng glass para sa ating shower. Almost same lang din naman sa baba. So let's go na sa ating master's bedroom. Ito po yung ating biggest bedroom sa 3 bedrooms house and lot. So, ginawa po dito is nasa queen size po ito. Queen size po itong bed and naglagay din po siya ng cabinets and mini po dito para paglagyan ng TV and ng chairs. Diba? Ang luwag pa rin. Nasa iyo pa rin naman kung paano niyo po siya gagawin or ipapa-interior. So, we have a cabinet din po dito. As you can see, nakaratan po siya. Gawang ratan. So, touch of Filipino pa rin. And, diba, kinaganda ng ating master's bedroom, you have an access to your balcony. Nakita mo yung labas-pasok ng iyong bahay. So, this is our balcony, no, sa ating model house or sa 3 bedrooms house and lot na ito po yung magiging example if you have na magandang view or you have gusto mo mag-coffee or mag-tea sa inyong balcony, pwede po kasi magaganda yung views natin. Pwedeng Mount Makiling or Tagaytay Mountains. So, if you want this house, 3 bedrooms house and lot, na pwede nyo pong i-contact through Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564 or to my Facebook page at The Estate Savvy. So that's it po, no, sa ating house tour and drive tour a while ago. For the prices and monthly payments, no, ilagay ko na lang po siya below sa ating description kasi dito in Ayala, no, sobrang mabilis ang value appreciation ng mga properties. So I have to put it na lang sa description, then I will have to edit na lang for the updates ng ating prices and monthly terms. So this is it for our house and lot packages, no? But if you prefer naman ng lot-only properties, because Quezalano Valley is our newly launched community, marami po tayong available na mga lot-only or lot-only properties, no? Yung starting po natin na available is from 161 square meter up to 236 square meter. So kung prefer nyo naman ng lot-only, contact nyo lang po ako at 0917-140-5564 for Viber at WhatsApp. Then to my Facebook page at The Estate Savvy. So, thank you for watching this video, no? For more updates dito sa Nuvali tsaka sa future na i-offer ko po dito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, this is Renz Pagaligan, The Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.